Midweek Cruising Wednesday. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, look at that. Got dune buggy. Should be VW powered. Let's look at the back here. Yeah. There's the G8. Harley. Mike's Mustang. Let's go around here and get some of this other stuff. Let's see. Probably start from this row. Billy's Henry J. It's got a LS swap in it. Paul's Buick. Tim's 57 Chevy sedan delivery. Followed by traditional small block. So 63 Thunderbird. Yeah, 63. Here's Alex's van. Clean. Yeah, you can eat off the motor. It's got an 86 F-150. One of the later Camaros. It's nice stripes on it. George's Mustang. It's 65 or 66. Just got it painted, got it on the road. Small block, 289. It's George's Impala. It's always a nice sight. It's Billy's 64 Biscayne. Seen him a whole bunch of times. Nice GMC truck. Another GMC truck. That 64 Grand Prix. They're getting ready to leave, so we got her just in time. Look at this square body Chevy short bed. Robert 66 F100 long bed. Here's a C20 long bed. It says 71 on the tag. So here's the guys leaving. That's the 88 F-150. It's got about 50,000 miles on it. A nice looking truck. 70 Chevelle, House of Color, gold, small block, very clean. Mid-50s Ford truck. It's got the Y block in there. And a Jeep with a roof rack. Pretty neat stuff. Nice Corvette. It's like an early 50s Plymouth Belvedere with the indestructible flathead 6-cylinder in there. Fairmont. Look at the exhaust. Got some turbo LS action going on in there. Nice looking Challenger. Nice 69 Camaro. Got a small block in that. Finish up over here. Donnie's Cobra. That's a House of Color paint as well. Frank's Cobra. There's a that'll do it for Midweek Cruising. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in. See everybody on the next one.